All right, Libras, we love you. You're the peacemakers. You're the beauty lovers. You are our friends. You are all about balance. You are, we just love you. You're ruled by Venus. Jackie, our production manager, is a Libra. She was my muse for this. And so Libra gave me a chance to create something so beautiful. It's a tea that's inspired by Persian love cake. Now, Persian love cake is such a great story. Well, first let me tell you what's in it, because I'm going to go off on the story now. But basically, these have gorgeous Yunnan white pearls. We had these made for us. It's white tea rolled into a pearl. So it's almost like a time capsule. So when it opens, you get the experience of the tea that's fresh, reopening and blooming for itself, like love, like a Libra. Libras are full of love and peace and beauty. So then we have rosebuds, and then we have shatavari, which is a Venus-ruled herb from Ayurveda that balances the female cycles. It's also good for men, but it's really a powerful, protector of reproductive health. And then we blended it with creamy flavor extracts that are all organic and natural, as well as pistachios. And we made this gorgeous, gorgeous tea blend, and I'm going to make you a Persian love cake iced latte in just a moment. But here's the deal about Persian love cake. So this is an ancient story, and you know, Persia is the land of Rumi and the land of beauty and romance and poetry. And so there's a story that goes, there was this young woman and she fell in love with a prince, and she was not at the prince's level, I guess. You know, it was a class thing back in the day. And so she decided, she was so in love with him that she could not live without him. So what she did is she baked a cake. And in this cake, she poured all of her love, and she poured all of her intention that they would, become husband and wife, and they would be married. And she poured all that love magic into the cake as she baked it. And it was a pistachio and rose cake. And so through that love, there's two ends of the story. All right, you ready? One of them's not the best. But Libra style, right? It's like a balance. So in one ending of the story, he ate the cake, fell in love with her, and they got married and lived happily ever after. In the other ending of the story, he wasn't able to go against his family's wishes, and he had to marry a princess or whatever. And as her prize, she ended up getting to eat the cake instead. So I'm going to go with the story where he falls in love with her and everything works beautifully. So, okay, so here's what I've done. Look how gorgeous that is. It almost, spills. Of course. So what I've done is I've made beautiful iced tea cubes out of the pink tourmaline tea, and you can use just clear cubes. I broke a glass earlier by not being cool when I did that. You can use just regular iced tea cubes, but why not have fancy iced tea cubes made out of tea? It's kind of fun. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an iced tea cube had some tea leaves in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm allowing this gorgeous tea to steep, and it's got safflowers and everything. It's just so stunning. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be in love. And so look how stunning that is. Oh, and here comes our Libra. Okay, shh. Come here, Jackie. You're my muse for this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little honey in this. Jackie was my muse for this tea, although I don't know if you've ever baked a Persian love cake, but okay, so there's that. And then we're gonna do a little cream. So this actually tastes like cake. Gorgeous. And then I'm gonna go hog wild. I'm gonna make, because it was just too poetic there for a minute. I'm gonna actually, you can do this so much more elegantly and gorgeously. I did it once better, but it wasn't on film. And then you can put a gorgeous piece of honeycomb. You can put a little fig. Figs are symbols of love. And you can put a little bit of super expensive, beautiful, magical, aphrodisiac saffron. And look at that. And then you've got an exquisite Libra iced love cake latte. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, Jackie, come here. This is Jackie. She's our production manager. She makes sure all the tins are filled, and she's a Libra. Okay, want to taste it? You have to get it on your nose. It's part of the, oh, she gets it on her nose. Yay!
Delicious. I love it. Thank you so much.
And that's why we exist at Magic Hour, to make people happy. So that's Libra, the Persian love cake tea, and we hope it makes you happy whether or not you're a Libra. It is a symbol of love and balance and peace and harmony, and it is ruled by Venus, and it is all the good things on planet Earth in one cup. Okay, so here's to your health.